In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toners of your Canon ImageCLASS LBP632Cdw printer. Now the first step is to open the front chamber, so push it outside. There is a blue handle, you have to press it down. All the toners will slide and come out. Now you have to just take them out. Now take your new ink toners and place them one by one. So let's start with the yellow. That's next one. All the three colors and the black ink toner is placed here. Once you install them, just push it back. It will lock. Now close the ink chamber. Go to the printer display panel. So it will recognize all the 4 ink toners and we are ready to use it. So this way we can replace the ink toner in this printer. Thanks for watching.